Today we're going to be making charms using our really awesome charm hardware sets, our really adorable charms, and our huge variety of 8mm bead boxes. The first thing that I did was take my charm of choice and connect it to a split ring that I then connected to the eye pin that comes in the hardware set. Next, I chose 4 of those really fun 8mm beads from the bead box. I loaded them on to that eye pin, and now using my needle nose pliers, we're gonna go ahead and bend the end of that pin around into a loop and tuck it into the top of the bead. It's as easy as that. It's all you have to do. Let's make a couple more of these. They're very fun, they're very cute, and you can use them for so many different things. You could use these charms to dangle from your favorite cup, a purse, a backpack, a gym bag. You could use it as a zipper pull. The opportunities are really endless using these awesome charm kits. You can find all the supplies that you need to make your charms on myprettyposhprincess.com. We have hundreds of different charms and tassels available and a huge selection of those adorable bead boxes. Our custom designed hardware sets are perfectly curated to take all the guesswork out of this for you. It comes with everything that you need to make crafting very easy. Simply add the charms or the focals that you like and the box that you like of beads, and you're set. Combine our really awesome low prices with our extremely fast shipping from the United States and the fact that you're gonna have so many of those beads left over, you could make hundreds of projects. My Pretty Posh Princess is the oldest and largest silicone plus acrylic bead company in North America, proudly serving all of our amazing customers for the last 11 years. For more tutorials, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube and check out our Let's Make It section on the website. Thank you for watching, and be sure to shop myprettyposhprincess.com.